Year and all that. Hope you all had a great break. I've had an extra long one, you might as well say. It's a long break. It's been good. Nice little rest. But I am back doing what I enjoy. I'm trying to get to this spot. See, I've got this goal this year to catch a fish. Well, I know I caught one last year, but this year I want to catch more than one, and I want to catch a decent one. So I found this spot on Google Earth, and I'm going to try and get there. Fingers crossed it's open, it's not closed off track or whatever, and give it a go, eh? See what happens. So yeah, sit back, relax, grab yourself a coldie if you want, and enjoy. Probably laughing at me not catching anything. We will see. Well, we're going to have to air down. We've got a few new things on this trip. You might have seen them. Well, I don't think you have, but you will see them this time. Got these new tyre deflators. Going to try out, see what they're like. Hear good things about them, but we'll give them a go right now and set them up. And then, yeah, hit the track and head to the spot, and I'll show you the other new stuff I've got. Well, they're finished. Some you could really hear going down, and others just went real quiet. But it's all good. They're done. That one's still blowing a little bit of air, but I think it's good enough. Okay, all right, let's get out of here. There's the ocean. Well, I can see water. So I'm heading in the right direction. It's warm in the car, but it's only 25 outside. Jeez, I'm cooking in here. Woo! What a spot. Bit windy, but still magic. I don't know how I'll go fishing. I'm not too sure. Have a look at this. The water's looking a bit funky down there. I don't know why. It's brown, dirty. Might be from the limestone. It's a bit blue up there, but down here, brown. And you know what I realised I just forgot? The beach rod. So I can't even cast out into there. With this wind. Oh, it's going to be a nice night though. Sitting here, listen to that. I'll go for a wander down there soon. There's a path, I think, looks like. That way maybe. Oh, man. I've missed this. And I'm glad I'm back. Woo-hoo-hoo. Alright. Let's get set up. Well, I should set the rooftop up, eh? But first, I'll show you a couple of little things I got. Got them for Chrissy. I got a muck mat so my feet don't get, like, I can wipe them clean before I pop up in the rooftop. I got a fan and light for at night in the rooftop in summer, so that's going to be good, keep me nice and cool. I also got, because you all probably think I stink because I never shower, hot water system. Dying to try this out, haven't tested it yet. I should have probably tested it before I come, but yeah. But and the last but not least, and I can't pull it out, so you're gonna have to come in, but check this out. 2000 watt right here inverter from Renogy. Now that is going to be a game changer, because there's one other thing that I got that's on the other side, which I think I'm going to have to use tonight because of the wind. So let's go around and have a look. Come on. Alright, here we are. Now, I've got a couple of new things actually on this side. One, move some stuff out of the way. We've got too much stuff. A Jetboil cooker. Now that's obviously gas, not power. But I also got a kick-ass induction cooktop thing, whatever you call them. Woo! Now that is going to be handy tonight in this little breeze. But hey, who got spoilt for Christmas? Let's put this back. So I'm pretty well covered now, I'd say. Gotta stop dropping stuff. Gotta say, we've got too much stuff. Too much stuff. Well, might go for a climb down and have a look. Got to keep my eye out for snakes too. I'm sure there'd be a few around here. Down there. Get you. I've got to get down there. Don't know if I can get down that. I think that's a good climb, eh? I don't think I'm going to be able to get down that one. Might have to find another way down. Got to be careful these limestone cliffs, as you all probably know, because they can just collapse. There is a path going that way. Maybe it goes down that bit there. I don't know. I ain't jumping. Well, I made it down here. Uh-oh. See how quick it comes up. Pick my timing and get through there. Right, now. Here it comes. And I made it. It was a small one. Oh, how nice would it be if it was calm? No swell. Be pretty good. Look at this. Big beach all to yourself. And there is bugger all rubbish, which is good. I don't know if someone's been here and cleaned, but it's pretty good. I wouldn't complain. Pretty cool, but I wouldn't go under there. Just don't trust limestone. Well, I don't think I'm going to get much further unless I climb rocks. But another little secluded beach. You can see the water comes right up and still no rubbish. Pretty cool. Yeah, that was a little one. Alright, let's move. Heaps of beach up there, but we've got to get through there. And I've got to get back through there. So nice, but anyway, I'm going to make my way back, and I'll see you back at the car. That was a mission, climbing back up and getting back through. I think the tide's coming in, making it a little bit harder. I think I might put the awning out, or set the rooftop up, put the awning out, get my chair out, sit down and relax. I don't think I'm going to get much fishing done. Just a wild one, but I don't know. There's a bit of a gutter down there I can start to see, so I might be able to cast into that. I've only got lures and I've only got little rods. Sorry, I might have been out of camera then. So, alright, got to be in it to win it, don't you? Alright, let's get this rooftop set up. I haven't opened this awning in quite a while. Ugh. Not looking forward to what I'm walking into. I don't know if I want it open actually. It's going to be a bit windy. Let's get some stuff. Definitely not going to lose these in the dark, am I? Jeez, it's been a while. Look at that. That's the front one, I think. Just look back there for now. Somewhere. There we go. See if that will go more. I think it's time for a drink. Yeah, I'm having a hard solo, whatever you call them. Hard rated drink. Cheers everyone, Happy New Year. That wind is getting stronger, which is not what it's meant to do, but it's the afternoon. I think I might chill for a bit and wait till this wind sorts itself out. Just enjoy the peace. Gotta say, it's been a pretty lazy afternoon. I checked the tides and they're coming in, so it's washing all that dirty looking water away. It's nice and blue. Seen some nice blue pockets down there, but it's going to be full of water soon and I won't be able to even stand on the beach. So I might have to wait till tomorrow morning for a little flick to try me luck.